Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your phone number must include the correct country code, and you need SMS or call reception. Once done, backup chats via Settings Chats Chat Backup so you can restore later. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy that could block verification. Now open WhatsApp and proceed to verify. This gets you to the first decisive step, and it prevents data loss during fixes. Next, you tackle account and connection issues by clearing the app cache or reinstalling WhatsApp. This removes corrupt temporary files while your backup remains intact. Then, make sure WhatsApp has contacts, SMS, and storage permissions in system settings so verification and restores can run. If verification stalls, choose SMS verification first and request a call only after 2 failed attempts. This avoids rate limits. Also, make sure background data is enabled so files download during restore. Finish by restoring your backup when WhatsApp prompts. Confirm the backup timestamp and that you're signed into the correct Google Drive or iCloud account. Once restored, verify settings like profile and privacy. Make sure media downloads on Wi-Fi or mobile as you prefer. If verification still fails, toggle airplane mode, switch networks, or try the app on another device briefly. And if nothing works, contact WhatsApp support. Include your phone model, OS version, and a brief log of steps you already tried for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.